Agatha Christie finale. Rebekah Vardy agrees to pay Coleen Rooney £1.2 million after legal showdown. The final chapter of the now infamous Agatha Christie saga has closed with a dramatic twist. Rebekah Vardy has agreed to pay Coleen Rooney nearly £1.2 million in legal costs, bringing a fiery end to one of the most explosive celebrity court battles in recent British history. After years of headlines, scandal, courtroom drama, and social media warfare, Vardy has conceded to cover a major chunk of Rooney's legal bill, a staggering £1,833,906.89, following her crushing High Court defeat in 2022. The agreement, reached without either party appearing in court, marks a major legal and symbolic victory for Rooney, wife of football icon Wayne Rooney, and the woman behind the legendary social media detective work that captivated the nation. Rebekah Vardy's barrister, Juliet Wells, confirmed in written submissions that the payment would total £1,190,000, including approximately £1,125,000 in principal and £65,000 in interest. This figure settles the bulk of Rooney's costs, though a further showdown looms over an additional £300,000 in assessment costs, which Vardy's team has slammed as grossly disproportionate. They argue that any further payment should be capped at £100,000. The final decision now rests with costs judge Mark Whelan, who acknowledged the financial agreement as a welcome, commercial accommodation. This epic legal saga began in 2019, when Coleen Rooney executed a digital sting operation that would make Sherlock Holmes proud. Suspecting someone was leaking personal stories from her private Instagram account to The Sun, Rooney set a trap, blocking all followers but one and posting fake stories designed to catch the culprit. When those phony tales started appearing in the press, including a fabricated trip to Mexico for gender selection and a fake offer to appear on Strictly Come Dancing, Rooney delivered the now iconic reveal. It's Rebekah Vardy's account. The internet exploded. So did Vardy, who fiercely denied the allegations and launched a high-stakes libel suit in an attempt to clear her name. But it backfired spectacularly. In July 2022, Mrs. Justice Steyn ruled that Coleen's allegations were substantially true, concluding that Vardy had leaked private information to the press either directly or through her agent. The ruling left Vardy with her reputation in tatters, and legal costs estimated at £3 million. She was ordered to pay 90% of Coleen's legal expenses, an enormous financial blow compounded by public humiliation. Adding to the courtroom theatrics, Vardy's legal team later accused Rooney's lawyers of serious misconduct, alleging they had deliberately lowballed estimates to discredit the other side's expenses. But this too was thrown out by senior costs judge Andrew Gordon-Saker, who ruled there was no evidence of wrongdoing. While acknowledging a lack of transparency, he concluded it was not sufficiently unreasonable or improper to merit a reduction in the costs awarded, and the curtain falls. What began as a private suspicion on Instagram spiraled into a libel trial worthy of a Netflix series, complete with betrayal, courtroom fireworks, and millions of pounds on the line. In the end, Coleen Rooney emerged victorious, vindicated both legally and publicly. Rebekah Vardy, meanwhile, is left with a shattered public image, a massive legal bill, and a cautionary tale for the social media age. The Agatha Christie saga may be over, but its legacy, unforgettable.